Alright, I'm coming out. I'm coming. I know, it's not good. All it takes is one backfire. Carbon fibers are super sharp, especially the trailing edge. Starter.
Timer cleared.
Oh, just too fast.
Oh, I know.
Alright, coming out.
A lot of those are 14.
14.
Okay, let's go.
Gear up, flaps up.
Ending.
Okay. Yeah, he's landing. Yeah. I had to slow down something. I'm out of trim too. I'll come back to you. Don't worry. Alright, I'm on you now. Okay. Okay. The wind's kind of pushing me all over. The wind's pushing me all over.
Yeah, me too. Gotta keep it low because of the sun too.
Yeah, we were right in it. I had to look away.
Low.
Yeah, he needs to rebuild. He needs to rebuild that car, but it's just dying. All right, so low and slow. Okay.
Let's try closer. Let's try turning closer.
No, that was too far out. I think turning was too far out. Because then it's easier to gauge from our distance. Turn. Perfect. I just got on it to get position. Because you gunned it. You should have stayed left your throttle.
What? I didn't touch my throttle.
You did. It went up a little bit. I heard it. Seriously. I had to gun mine to make it around the turn.
Alright, turning now.
Okay. So don't listen to my throttle because I got to gun it to make the turn. There.
This is fast.
That slows just too much.
30 seconds.
Here, when we get it, oh, the sun's in a bad place.
Yeah, that's the problem.
Okay. Go.
Yeah, the sun's very.
10,
Prepare it. Yeah.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time
Okay.
expired.
Fast. Okay. Whoa. No flinch. What happened? It pushed you over?
They just pushed me over. And I was like, I wouldn't flinch because
No.
that's how you fit there.
Right. Just let it go where it is, and I'll avoid if I have to. Go ahead. Because we'd normally do our pull up and cross over there.
Huh?
We'd normally pull up over here, but the
Yeah,
sun.
But the sun is over here.
Yeah. I'm gonna cross over and catch you. Whoa, shit. Overcorrected. The wind
1 minute over.
keeps knocking me over. 1,000? I'm gonna do my blast over you. Tell me when you're close. Okay. For sure down?
Nice. That was fortuitous.
It worked.
You know what? It's weird. With the sun where it is, we couldn't do our usual jump. Like anything coming this way, it's hard.
Landing flaps. Flaps up.
Oh, it pushes you, yes. On that last flight, I wish I did. 'Cause it was knocking me everywhere. Yeah, but I mean, that flight, I was fighting it the whole way.
Yeah.
Because every time I turned like this, it would pull it over.